I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales. I'm here with my buddy Ben Knowles.
And in this video, Mike and I are going to be describing the two differences between the Flybridge and non-Flybridge model of the Targa 37. Each one of these setups are really cool, and at the end of the video, I'd love to know in the comments which one you would choose, Flybridge or non-Flybridge. So let's go to Mike.
The biggest decision when you're building out your Targa are, do you want a Flybridge or not? So the Flybridge is excellent for the warmer climates. It's a great place to be up here, standing and driving here at the helm. I mean, just an amazing setup here. I'm in the open air. It's a bright sunny day. I can also dock the boat really easily from up here. I can see everything. I do have a bimini top up here, so I can put my shade up and get that going over the top so I can be shaded from the sun. But this is just such an awesome setup. A whole nother entertaining space up here. I've got 4 extra seats. We can spin these seats around and have an entertainment area up here. Forward of the steering station on the brow, I've got 2 solar panels on this Targa 37. I've also got the 2 overhead hatches here that allow for ventilation at the helm. There's plenty of real estate up here for everything that you need. If those 2 solar panels aren't enough, we come back here and check out this space on the aft end of the coach roof. We've got plenty of room for quite a bit of features back here if you want a Starlink. We've also got the Targa mast up here, so we can put our radar, Starlink, all of your extra features here. You could add more solar panels here or mounts for toys. Access to a Flybridge while underway in heavy weather is really important. These molded stairs from Targa make it really easy to get on and off the Flybridge. One feature that I feel like is a must-have addition is this fold-up step. Really makes it really easy to get up and down the Flybridge. Driving from up here on the Flybridge is an awesome sensation. We're coming out of Old Saybrook here. What a cool platform to enjoy this boat. It's just such a different feeling being up here on the Flybridge than down below, and just fantastic. Really enjoying it up here. Great place for cocktail cruise, sunset sail, come up here with a few friends and enjoy the scenery.
But when you don't have the Flybridge and you have more of the coupe version, the aft area is a bit different as well. When you don't have these steps going up, you've got a bit of an extra window back here, allowing additional light into the cabin. And also getting up to the hardtop is a little bit different as well. While you're not getting up to the hardtop nearly as often as you are with the Flybridge, we do have a cool setup to get you up to the hardtop, and let's go up and look at that right now. Getting up here, you just have this ladder that you can climb up here. When you're up here on the hardtop, you can see how much real estate you have here to dial in the hardtop for your particular mission. For this particular boat, we have these paddleboard racks where you can carry really bulky extra water toys with you that you otherwise couldn't load with a Flybridge model. So you could do sea kayaks, stand-up paddleboards, an extra tender. I can even see you putting an Opti for your kids up on the hardtop here. So you can put up some really substantial gear up here on the hardtop that you otherwise couldn't with the Flybridge. You also have a lot more real estate for equipment like these solar panels that I'm standing on. This particular boat has 6 solar panels on the hardtop here at the little bit of a sacrifice for this huge moonroof that can open up as well. So you could even add more solar if you chose at the sacrifice of losing this moonroof. As you may know, with Targa, you have a lot of options to personalize these boats. So how you see this hardtop set up here is not the standard or the norm. There are a lot of options on here, but that's what Targa does. Targa will accommodate for many special requests, just like the requests that these particular owners had with this hardtop here. And then there's some air draft advantage as well, of course, by not having a Flybridge, both in terms of air draft and also weight. Inevitably, with the additional equipment that you're putting up on the hardtop with the Flybridge, that comes with a few extra 100 pounds of weight up here as well. But you also have less air draft. I think of air draft in the form of 3 terms: maximum air draft, and then minimum air draft, right? So we'll put up here on the screen what those draft numbers, air draft numbers are. Flybridge versus non-Flybridge. But maximum air draft is from when your VHF antennas are up, the maximum air draft here. Standard air draft is with the basic equipment that's trimmed down. What is that air draft, which is from the top of this light to the water. And then minimum air draft is, let's say you have a particular bridge that you're looking to get under. You can remove these two Allen key screws here, and then you can rotate this whole arch aft. So your minimum air draft becomes just the height of these stand-up paddleboard racks here, which gives you minimum air draft. So obviously you have a air draft advantage with a coupe setup. Inside the cabin, this is a visual representation of what the benefits are with some extra natural light that you can get into the cabin. Now again, this is with this optional large moonroof. You can still get the two similar hatches like what was on Mike's boat, but if you're looking to increase the amount of natural light coming into the cabin, you can see what that's like in the video now. And then also aft with additional window off to the port side, you can see how much additional light you have coming in. So the boat really feels like you're more of in an outside space than inside space because of the extra light that you have coming in. And then from a side profile perspective, you can see obviously your profile is a bit lower with the coupe versus the Flybridge. I think both look really good, so it's really a personal preference conversation. But this is a nice look at what you have for the side profile from the coupe versus the Flybridge models. This will wrap up the differences between Flybridge and non-Flybridge. Love to know what you would choose if you're getting a Targa 37.